we go. Have I ever told you how much I hate YouTube?
Working like a dog, day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and taste this whiskey, and you're right next to me, singing, hey honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I'm gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do. Heaven knows that you put your time into it. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose. Well, let's get one thing straight, it ain't about what you do for me. Well, I'm gonna love you, and I love you loving me. Singing, hey honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do, yeah. coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home to you. Hey, honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Hey, honey, now promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do. I met a man who was out on his own. He chose to wander this world all alone. He said, heaven can't help me, I'm so far away from where they found me on that day. On and on he goes into the night, singing waging war with demons in his mind. And he goes on. He lost his lover when his house burned down. Now he'll never love another till they put him in the ground. They may have taken everything he owns, but they could never take away the love he's known. On and on he goes into the night, singing waging war with demons in his mind. And he goes on. On and on I go into the night, singing waging war with demons in my mind. But I go on. Working like a dog, day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and Jesus whiskey, and you're right next to me, singing, hey, honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I'm gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey, honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. that you put your time into, yeah. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose. Well, let's get one thing straight, it ain't about what you do for me, well, I'm gonna love you, and I love you loving me. Singing, hey, honey, coming home, and don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey, honey, promise please that you're gonna be the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do, yeah. Coming home, and don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, coming home, don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home, don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home to you. Hey, honey, I'm coming home, but don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Promise please that you're gonna be the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do. You've come too far now to ever stop. Wash me in the water and I'll never go back. Even when I'm walking to dead man pass. You can't trust a man 'cause he'll just let you down. Crooked and twisted we grow from the ground. From dust we came in, dust we shall return. From dust we came in, dust we shall return. Wash me in the water and I'll never go back. Even when I'm walking through dead man paths. Walking through dead man paths. Wash me in the water and I'll never go back. Even when I'm walking through